Assalamualaikum, thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this wall rack. So at first I'm going here for selecting the new file. Then I'm going to select the MMGS. Then go to the front plane, extrude boss is taken, line command is selected. Then here start it will be 25 millimeters. Here it will be 40 millimeters. Here 40 also. Here 40 also. Here 40 also, and every dimension will be 40. Okay, here 40 upwards, 40 here also 40, and here also 40, and here 25. Okay, done. Select it, then go to here and select the center line and join to this point. Okay, then I'm going to the mirror and drag it, select it at a time, select it to this part, then click here and another click is here. Okay, done. Then select it and delete it, then exit it. Then go to here, thin will be 10 millimeters and it will be 60 millimeters. Okay, 60 millimeters, and it is start to mid plane. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the materials. I am selecting is the plastic. High plastic is taken, white high plastic, and change the color. I'm taking this color. Okay, done. Then I'm going to here and select it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. You can make it by wood or plastic. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.